This is an extract from our AHK Hero Club. We have calls 3 times a week. Please like the video if you learned something.
Trigger, so when that kind of situation triggers. So right now, when I chat with AI, so it will give me a message box. So I'm asking something. So AI is asking something. And when I click on that notification, it switched that window back to me. So I can working on multiple projects, and when I have some notification, I just click on the message and that VS Code window activated, and I just answer the AI according to. uh, So so I'm just reading and answering, and in my mind planning what is going on and building the scripts.
Yeah, we realize
That's
as before, we were the bottleneck often is we weren't keeping our AI tool busy the whole time.
so if
So can
I
you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you hear the lawnmower or not?
No, we're good.
No. Ah, perfect. Yeah. So that's why I'm so quiet because I'm mowing the lawn. So haven't bought one of those automation lawnmowers yet.
Yeah, not yet.
But yeah, not yet. But both the notify class with the buttons. I mean, that's so magical. So I didn't actually see the sense that much before of the notification class
Okay.
because there's so much I have to do for interaction that it
Yeah.
couldn't solve. So it was like, okay, yeah,
Right.
it's nice to have, but it's not something I need. But now it's become something, oh, this I think I need, like being able to get reminded when this stuff is finished. I mean, man, that's
And compared,
really next level.
yeah, thank you. And compared to, let's remove the functionality side of a message box. It's in some ways very similar, but there's much more flexibility in ours. But the coolness, you know, and I'm not that I don't because I don't care about usually how things look. I care about functionality. But some people
Yeah.
look at AutoHotkey scripts and they're like, hey, Windows 3.1's, kind of old, dude. Um, using these notifies really make you feel like you're using a more up-to-date tool, right?
Yeah.
Which is also why, even though I know we don't, and I don't always love them, but having a dark themed option brings new life of a feeling of life, like a new thing. Of course, I could use a WebView 2 tool and have it look even fancier. But the dark
Yeah.
themes to me kind of feel more current, like it's a newer thing.
Yeah. Yeah. Agreed. So yeah, I made a tip to one of our clients about the PC and competence course
Yeah.
you have on your website,
Yeah.
and he's like, "This site, when it's made, 90s. Are you sure it's safe to click?" So, and it's not to knock your design skills, but it shows that you're more
Yeah. I
you're
understand.
more yeah, you
I,
want it
wa-
to work and not that much like
yeah. I'm
other
not going
stuff.
for a fancy. Yeah. Yeah. I understand.
Yeah, yeah.
It,
So I just tipped it. Well, you really should take the course because there's so many good tips there that you can take
yeah.
with your colleagues because he's trying to get his colleagues to up the level a little. So,
Yeah, if you want, let's talk offline about because I'm happy to if you're gonna if we have multiple people that want to go through it, I can cut some sort of a deal,
oh
because
yeah, I can.
I'm all about that. I worked in corporate America and I would look to my left and right and see people using a computer like a typewriter, and it's just
Yeah, yeah,
it hurts. Not that it hurts that they work so darn hard, like
yeah,
that's what drives
yeah,
me. Yeah, it's like spend a little time and wow, you can level up.
yeah. Yeah, I think we're on the same page there. So, but we can take it on separate call. Oh. But also you asked for the, what was the other thing you went through earlier?
The
Which
segmenter.
you, yes. So as you said, as long as I'm close by, it's nice. But when you showed me the DaVinci Resolve stuff, I was like, well, maybe that's
It
maybe
blew
that's
me
even
away.
better, right? So yeah,
It blew me away when I imported it, and it was so easy. And I don't know if I could pull it. Let me see if I can open it. I just upgraded DaVinci this morning, so I don't know if it's going to pull up easily. But it was just mind blowing of like I can import those segments automatically because that stuff takes a lot of time to do.
oh yes,
And the fact I asked, I'm like, well, how do I actually export this with the titles? And I was like, oh, well, that's an easy trick. You go here and you click this, and you can save this as a template in your output. And I'm like, wow.
yeah. And sometimes it's as the client said earlier today, the problem often isn't that you don't know what you want necessarily, but sometimes you even don't know what you don't know. So it's
Right.
it's very hard to wish for something that you don't even know exists, right?
Yeah. And actually, Kenneth, that was my point. Let me go ahead and share, Irfan. Um, my point was I knew nothing about this
Yeah.
FFXP, whatever name it was, right? I've never heard of it. And I never would have thought to ask for it. So I imported this whatever file type, and this is how it broke it out. And I don't know why, but it pushed the audio to two different channels. Um,
Oh.
I'm like, oh, okay.
Yeah.
But it put it all the segments, and the names are apparently there. When you go to export, it would go do all. And of course, you can now adjust it. I could add some fades or something if I cared to. I could just pick one and export it. But
But is it because the audio is in stereo or what?
I don't know. I don't know, and I can ask it. I don't think so,
Yeah.
but I don't. Yeah, I think it did it for a visual is my guess, but I don't know.
Okay.
Yeah, just the fact that like when I imported the XML, what it told me was you could drag the file, this XML whatever file here, and because it saved the path to the file, also I didn't even have the media file here. I just dragged in that XML thing, and it did this, and I'm like, oh, okay, wow,
Yeah. Okay. I'm fine. That's great.
wow. That's why I'm like, man, that's and again, like I think also for businesses, it's a perfect example of like maybe not even this tool, but the other one of like, hey, Bob missed the meeting, and here was some stuff that's relevant to him. Instead of giving him an hour meeting to go find the time, let me use this tool to isolate it and extract just that piece for him. And I can give it, and we can bring new life back into other things. Like I said, this was a 2-hour call, and it came up with I think 13 segments that are bite-sized, and they're much more digestible. And I'm like, oh, this is wild.
Yeah, because we at work we have like
Get insider savings, 25% off courses, scripts, and done-for-you AHK jobs, making premium tools affordable and accessible. Explore our huge library of 466 plus hours of recorded AHK tutorials. Watch, rewind, and master tricks at your own pace. Get insider savings, 25% off courses, scripts, and done-for-you AHK jobs, making premium tools affordable and accessible. Tap into over 466 plus hours of AHK video gold, including fresh clips like this, for any time learning that fits your schedule.